Wow.
This. We can stop them for these assholes.
I'm already behind you. I can't back up. There's people behind me. Okay, you know what? What are you doing?
He's parking.
What are you doing?
There's a parking space right here. He's parking.
How am I supposed to know that you're doing
I
that?
put my turn signal on to go into right.
Oh, you put your turn signal to go which way?
To right. Backing up in
So
there.
you're backing up? And
Yes.
the signal goes
You
right?
should know.
Oh, I should?
Yeah, you should.
We're really up right there, exactly Biden, because we can't go to this room. But you know, for God knows because people have prospered, and that is the truth. You know what we want, though, Bill? I mean, look, you grew up a lot of house. I grew up in 55 miles, which is one of the guys. Now, I'll tell you what the beauty of, you know, delivering people, I'm saying, well, you know, all restaurant jobs, all construction jobs, that's the biggest one of my life. And Babel 3074.
Watch out, vehicle south on road ahead.
Babel 3074, license plate 2800-GB. Nice line changes, everybody. Those are the people that are making the most. That's the forgotten limit that we talked about 2016. And the best job situation is 19 for every Democrat bill. How great is that? That's why the immigrants are going to have a hard time. You go in and you're not voting for presidential election in the United States, all right? But you can't wait your last vote. They funded 75 right now. No, Joe. Our series there, all things around running.com. Some videos back in talk more about leading ahead. Maybe the president, I think, everything we have to close it. If you think your Wi-Fi, you have a password protected state. It's not cyber criminals. You have to still have your connection. Watch your activity, steal information, send, receive online, all the other cyber threats. Like your password will stop, ransomware, malware, spyware. It's not every protection you need.
Watch out, vehicle south on shoulder ahead.
Everything you send, receive, protect every email is a private network that has bank encryption. Keep all your information private. Logins, passwords, as well. Password manager includes that. It's easily securely storing managing passwords, credit card information. FTC, scam safe, because notify you of cyber criminals, but I use webcam and block them. The only one is very expensive, but on top of it, they're reporting low price, you get up to 50% off per year rental subscription. You know what? Disconnect today, you need it. That's learn.com/anymore.com/anymore. It's anymore, Bill O'Reilly. This is Howell, the attorney for general plan, body art. Integrated jobs, healthcare, the news you care about is right here. And they watch is all.
I have two dogs. They have a daily both are both retrievers. 4 down USA. All the issues cause losing my all day for the constant looking. Yeah, both five back. I just don't like putting shots and steroids into your dog all the time. DINOVITE.com.
Whoa, the first blinker.
Probably 2 weeks after
His first
he
blinker.
started Dynamite, I started seeing great improvements. And today, 99% of his issues are non-existent. It's amazing stuff. So
You thick idiot! Hey, it's on camera! It's on camera! Look! Look! Look!
Look at that police caprice. State boys got the caprice. Whoa, damn. Damn. They just moved over he tried to get out of the trooper way. And he clipped that car. Minor damn. Damn, and the trooper gonna take off. How the cause an accident, but you take off? You just rolled up behind him and then just threw on your sirens. You only had on your lights and you just threw on your sirens. Scared the up, made him move over and made him clip that other car. And then you just gonna roll down the window and tell them to pull over and then you gonna race off. What the going right here?
Oh, shut up. Really? Okay, Garmin, save video.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.